Moving files between cloud platforms manually can take time, especially when working with business accounts and large amounts of data. Today, I'll show you how to move files from Box to OneDrive for business using Easy Cloud Manager. Here, I'm inside Easy Cloud Manager. The first step is connecting both cloud accounts. Now, I simply select the files and folders I want to transfer. For this example, I'll move an entire folder containing documents and business files. Next, I choose the destination folder inside OneDrive for business. And now I'll just click Transfer Now. I can see my transfer status. Easy Cloud Manager begins transferring files directly between the cloud platforms. This process removes the need to download files to a computer and upload them again manually. It can save time and simplify cloud migration workflows, especially when managing large file collections. I can also check the details of my transfer. Once the process finishes, the files appear inside OneDrive for business, and that's it. Easy Cloud Manager makes moving files between Box and OneDrive for business simple by helping you transfer cloud data directly, efficiently, and with less manual work.